Hello dear student, how are you? Are you okay? In this video we are studying about chapter 5. Chapter 5 is about multiply by 2-digit numbers. In the first lesson also we have multiply by 2-digit number. For example, I tell you multiply and estimate J. Sometimes I tell you just multiply and sometimes I tell you multiply and estimate. For example, we have 35 multiplied by 88. The first time we need to once multiply with all numbers and then tens with all numbers. But before we 10 multiply by the numbers, we need to write down zeros because we have tens place. Now 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 40. Write down 0 and 4 up. 8 multiplied by 3 equal to 24. 24 plus 4 equal 4 up because we have 4 up. We need to plus 4 up equal to 28. Write down 28. And now we have tens. In tens place also we have 8. The first time we need to write down 0 because we have tens place, and then 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 40. Write down 0 and 4 up in the next number. 8 multiplied by 3 also equal to 24 plus 4 equal to what? Equal to 28. So we have 280 plus 2800. 0 plus 0 we have plus there, student. All of for all time, student, we have plus. If we the multiply of ones and multiply of tens, we need to add the multiply from ones and tens. Now 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 2 plus 8 equal to 10, 0 and 1 up in the next one. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And for estimate we have 35 because 5 we have 5 behind 3, so increase 3 by 1 equals 4, and in tens we have 40. And so 35, if we do estimate for 35, is 40. And 88 is estimate for 88 is 90 because we have 8. 8 is greater than 5, so increase 8 by 1 equals 90. 40 multiplied by 90 equal to what? Because we have 2 zeros, write down 2 0. And 9 multiplied by 4 equal to 36, so we have 3600. In example B, we have 128 multiplied by 36. The first time 6 multiplied by 8 equal to 48. Write down 8 and 4 up in the next one. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. 6, 1 up in the next. 6 multiplied by 1, 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So 6 multiplied by 128 equal to 768. And then we have tens. In tens we have 3. Write down 0 before. And 3 multiplied by 8 equal to 24. Write down 4 and 2 up. 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. And because we have 2 up, 2 plus 6 equal to 8. And 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. We write down 3. Now we have add or plus the multiplication from ones and tens. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Write down 0 and 1 up in the next. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16. Write down 6 and 1 up in the next. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So we have from multiply 128 multiplied by 36 equal to 4608. For estimate, because we have 2 is less than, so estimate of 128 is 100 because we have 128. And for 36, because we have 6 is greater than 5, so increase 3 by 1 equals what? Equals 40. 100 multiplied by 40 equals to 4000 because you have 3 zeros. 1 2 3, write down 3 0. 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4, so 100 multiplied by 40 equal to 4000. In more examples, we have example to just say multiply. Sometimes say estimate, sometimes just say multiply. 204 multiplied by 41 equal to what? The first time 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. 1 multiplied 0 equals 0. 1 multiplied 2 equals 2. And for tens, the first time write down 0. And 4 multiplied 4 equal to 16. Write down 6 and 1 up in the next. 4 multiplied 0 equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Student. 4 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. And we need to plus for both answer. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 8 plus nothing equals 8. Or bring down 8. So we have 8364. Example B, say 109 multiplied by 61. The first time 1 was all numbers multiply. 1 multiply 9 equals 9. 1 multiply 0 equals 0. 1 multiply 1 equals 1. Now in tens, the first time write down 0. 6 multiply 9 equal to 54, write down 4 and 5 up in the next. 6 multiply 0, 0, 0 plus 5 equals 5. 6 multiplied by 1 equal to 6, so 109 plus 6540. 0 plus 9 or 9 plus 0 equals to 9. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and bring down 6, so 6,649. And now we are going to solve the practice about multiply by 2-digit number. Okay, practice to say 37 multiplied by 22. The first time we do estimate for 37 is 40 because we have 7 greater than 5, and for 22 we have 20 because 2 is less than 5. So 40 multiplied by 20 equal to 800. We have 2 zeros, and 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8 equal to 800. 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14. Write down 4 and 1 up. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. And 4 times the first time, write down zeros. 0 in the down of one's place, and 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Write down 4 and 1 up there. In the next, 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6 plus 1 equals 7. So because we have addition, we need to add both of answers. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1 up in the next. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. So 37 multiplied by 22 equal to 814. For practice 3 also, 54 multiplied by 31 equal to what? Equals 1674. Why? Because 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. Intends write down 0 in the bottom of one's place. And 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. 2 1 up in the next. 3 multiplied by 5, 15, plus 1 equals 16. Now we need to plus both of them. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 2, 7. And bring down 16 equal to 1674. Okay, for estimate, because you have 4 is less than 5, so estimation for 54 is 50. For 31 also 30, because 1 is less than 5. So we have 50 multiplied by 30 equal to, we write down 2 zeros because you have 2 zeros, and 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15, so we have 1500. Okay, practice 4 also, we have 42 multiplied by 26. The first time estimate for this one. For 42 equal to 40 because 2 is less than 5. For 26 is 30 because 6 is greater than 5, so increase 2 by 1 equal to 30. 40 multiplied by 30 equal to 1200. And now we do multiply. 6 multiplied by 2, 12, 2, 1 up in the next. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. In tens place, we need to, the first time we need to write down zeros in the down of one's place. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. So 252 plus C plus 840. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So we have 1092. In practice 5 also, 357 multiplied by 41. 1 multiplied by 7 equals 7. 1 multiplied by 5, 5. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Before we multiply tens place, we need to write down 0 in ones place. And 4 multiplied by 7, 28. Write down 8 and 2 up. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. 20 plus 2 equals 22. Write down 2 and 2 up in the next. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So 357 plus 14,280 equals what? Equals 14,637. For estimation, we have 357. Estimate for 100 because we have 5. 5 is increased 3 by 1 equals 4. So we have 400. For 41, we have 40. Why? Because 1 is less than 5. So stay the same number is 4. And we have 40. Now because we have 3 zeros, write down 3 0. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. Practice 7 also, we have 900. For if you estimate equals 900. And for 86 you have 90 because 6 is greater than 5. Increase 8 by 1 equals 90. Write down 3 zeros because you have 3 0. And 9 multiplied by 9 equal to 81. For multiplication also, we have 8 multiplied by 6 is 24. Write down 4 and 2 up in the next. 6 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54. For tens place, the first time we write down 0 in ones place. 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 30. To write down 2 and 3 up in the next number. Okay, 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 8 multiplied by 9 equals 72. We write down 72. Now we need to plus both of answers. 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 equals 7, 5 plus 2 equals 7, and bring down 7 in the last number. So we have 77,744. Practice 8 also we have 44. If we do estimate equals 40, 435 equals 40, and 40 multiplied by 40 equals to 1600. 4 multiplied 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Write down 0 and 2 up in the next. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20 also, plus 2 equals 22. In tens place the first time write down 0, and 3 multiplied by 5 12, write down 2 and 1 up. 3 multiplied by 4 also 12, plus 1 equals 13, and 0 plus 0 equals 0, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and bring down 1, so 44